Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Whoop 4.0. First, ensure your device is fully charged. Then, download the Whoop app on your smartphone and set up your personal profile. Wear the sensor snugly on your wrist or bicep for the most accurate readings. It is crucial to wear it consistently for at least 4 to 7 days to establish your baseline data. This initial period allows the device to learn your unique physiological patterns. Your Whoop 4.0 tracks your daily strain, a metric reflecting your cardiovascular load from both exercise and daily life. This score ranges from 0 to 21. A higher number indicates greater physical or mental exertion. Understanding your strain helps you recognize when you are pushing your body hard. The goal is to balance high-strain days with sufficient recovery to avoid overtraining and optimize your performance. Whoop 4.0 provides a comprehensive recovery score, indicating your body's readiness for the day. This score is calculated using 3 key metrics: heart rate variability, resting heart rate, and sleep performance. The device also meticulously tracks your sleep stages, including REM, deep, and light sleep, giving you insights into your sleep quality. Prioritizing good sleep and recovery is vital for improving your overall health and athletic performance. To truly optimize your Whoop 4.0 experience, regularly review your daily data within the app. Pay attention to trends in your strain, recovery, and sleep scores. Use the journal feature to log specific behaviors, like caffeine intake or meditation, to see their impact. Adjust your daily schedule and workouts based on your recovery status. Consistent use and thoughtful data analysis will empower you to make healthier, more informed decisions about your well-being.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.